Welcome back, Proppers. Today we'll be working on part 8 of our full samurai armor build. We'll be working on the Sode, which is the shoulder protector. We'll be starting with 2 panels of Steve K's high-density 4mm foam, measuring 16 by 9 inches. After a little heat forming, 4mm strips are used to lock in a slight curvature. These strips are attached to the panels with contact cement. Hand forming the panel while attaching the strips will help lock in the curvature. A second strip is attached to the panel to help form a vertical curvature along with the horizontal curvature. After a quick test fitting on Toyotomi, the panels are taken through my 3-step painting process. 1 coating of black Plasti Dip, 1 coating of red oxide primer, and 1 coating of Cabernet Red. A border is created around all the edges of the panel using my pre-colored self-adhesive EVA foam strips. The top and bottom edges will be 1.25 inches and the side edges will be 1/4 inch. Three vertical sections and 4 horizontal sections are marked off on each panel. The lines are accentuated for detail with my USB soldering iron. Another template is made for the larger X stitching pattern. The holes are created on the template with a needle, then the template is applied directly to the panels to burn the holes with my USB soldering iron. The drill is then used to widen the holes to accept the stitching. We'll be using the same X stitching pattern that we used throughout this project. The lacing ends are cut and secured to the panel with instant glue. With the panels completed, we'll be attaching the Velcro strips that'll hold the panels to Toyotomi. One section of the Velcro will be attached to the door with instant glue between the front and back panel. Although we'll be using the Velcro for the attachment, I left the buckles attached for future options. The second half of the Velcro strips will be measured, cut, and attached to the Sode. This attachment will also be made with instant glue. To ensure a secure bond between the strap and the panel, the strap is fished under the lacing and a section of the curvature strip is removed. A small block of EVA foam is attached over the strap where the small section of curvature strip was removed. The Sode is now ready to be attached to Toyotomi. This marks the end of this segment of our full samurai armor build. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press that like button, and press that bell notification so you'll be notified when new segments are uploaded. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. The next segment of this build will be the kote.